Transit allows me to say yes to anything. My name is Monty Lilburn and I'm from Port Moody and I work in Vancouver at VCC as an instructor for IT and assistive technology in the department for the visually impaired.
My name is Sarah Chung, and being able to travel independently without having to rely on others is super awesome and gives me a lot of autonomy, and I can do whatever I want, whenever I want. TransLink has really increased my independence. With the Universal Fair Gate Access Program, I'm able to tap in and out of SkyTrain stations independently. It's the only Fair Gate program in North America where I don't have to physically tap in and out.
TransLink's approach is to make things accessible whenever possible, right from the start, and that makes a huge difference. And the other thing, we have a good system. It works, it runs on time most of the time and gets you where you need to go on time. We have world-class transit that encompasses not only buses, trains, SkyTrains, SeaBuses, and HandyDART, but it allows people to use all of those services when they want to. And that's just something that's not possible elsewhere.